So this is the Baseus 180 centimeter cable that I got, the lightning cable that I got for charging my iPhone 6s. Got delivered to India in 7 days, and for a price of 280, it's quite good. So the packaging is quite good. It has all the details with the confirmation code so that you can go and check it on the Baseus website. Uh, this cable seems really durable. I checked it out. Uh, Charged my phone. It was charging really fast like the original cable. So when I take out the packaging, just 1 second. So you have the cable, nice red in color, good length. Just to zoom in, the connectors are nice so that these endpoints generally they get broken off my original cable. Those are good and sturdy. The entire USB connectors look nice. Comes with these two manuals in Chinese, so you can use Google Translate app and understand what they mentioned. There's an English bit about all the instructions are in English also over here. And this is a tiny information docket that gives you the QR codes to some other products. So overall, the entire product that I've received looks good right now. I got it in India within 7 days, and for 280 rupees, it's a really good product.